Basic electronics. Resistor. 1. Resistor is an electrical component that is used to resist the flow of current. 2. The amount of opposition that a resistor offers to the flow of current is called its resistance. 3. Resistance is denoted by letter R, and measured in units called ohms. 4. A resistor neither allows the current to flow freely like good conductor, nor it completely blocks the current flow like insulator, it allows the current but with some difficulty. 5. Since resistors resists the current flowing in circuit will get reduced by the use of resistor. 6. Since voltage is the force that drives the current, you need to spend some voltage to overcome the resistance of resistor, as a result some voltage we loss across resistor, simply resistor results in voltage drop. With the help of color code chart, we know value of band 1 green is 5, value of band 2 blue is 6 and value of band 3 which is multiplier is 10 and band 4 gold is 5%. Now simply multiply band 1 and 2 with band 3, that is 560, the value of resistor coming to the band 4, the tolerance band. It is not required to calculate the value of resistor, it tells us minimum and maximum errors of resistor value that are allowed, so that they don't affect the functioning of circuit that uses that resistor. 5% of 560 is 23 ohm, 560 minus 23 equals 537 ohm and 560 plus 23 equals 583 ohm. If this resistor shows value in the range of 537 ohm to 583 ohm, then no need to change the resistor. Since 1000 mean 1 kilo, 100,000 is expressed as 100 K, the value of this resistor 5% tolerance mean 95 K to 105 K is allowed. Value of this resistor 4700 ohms, since it is more than 1000 ohms, we should express it in kilos, 4700 equals 4.7 K. How to calculate value of SMD resistors. 1. If value of resistor is not printed on body, we have to depend on schematic diagram to know the value. 2. Tolerance of these resistors are 1% or 2%, or specified in the schematic. Does resistor oppose the current or voltage? The above diagrams should clear our doubts. In the first diagram switch is open, electrical loop is incomplete, so no current flowing in the circuit, load resistor not utilizing the voltage, X equals 12V, Y equals 12V, Z equals 0V. In the second diagram switch is closed, electrical loop is completed, current starts flowing, resistor starts opposing current, voltage is used to drive the current, load resistor utilizes the voltage, X equals 12V, Y equals 0V, Z equals 0V. 1. Resistor opposing the current not voltage, voltage get drop across resistor when electrical loop is complete. Note. 1. Resistor opposes current not voltage. 2. A resistor never becomes short or low value, it may become open or high value. 3. While manufacturing resistor normally they manufacture it with little bit low value than the rated value for X. 100 ohm actually shows 99 ohm, it is to ensure over period of time even resistor becomes some high value, it will not affect working of circuit. 4. A resistor can be used as current limiter, voltage divider, to pull up or pull down signals. For laptop chip level training contact us at RCP Technologies, 406A, Annapurna Block, near Mitravanam, Ameerpet, Hyderabad, India 500,016. Info at rcptec.com. Phone 9,30,385,678.